Welly, who is a proud Samoan Māori artist whose music is deeply rooted in cultural community. Ooh. Oh, born and raised in Pōneke, Kenzie carries the vibrant rhythms of her whakapapa in every verse and melody. A natural storyteller, she weaves together her love for the arts and a deep commitment to her journey of Indigenous reconnection. She was recognized with the 2025 award for Best Pacific Hip Hop Artist for her empowering tracks, Hold Your Head and Queendom. Kenzie from Welly's is a force grounded in culture, driven by purpose. Oh, yeah. With bones all the way from Samoa and the mighty Waikato. I want to introduce to you our next couple of performers, DJ Arika Tera and Kenzie from Welly. Give herself a big round of applause. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go.
This song's called Reject the Program. It's all unreleased. Let's go. Let's wake up the fire. Ownership, exploiting off corona. Global food monopolies impeding on what we can eat. Sovereignty, take back my authority. $16 for a tray of eggs, cancer in this dollar bread. How will we live when the seeds no longer grow? We want the natural, not counterfactuals, take back your GMOs. Rip up the seafloor, bottom trolling, no concern when the cash flow pours in. I can't pronounce that, what you call it? They have it out since our land was stolen. Who's high? We're high, we high just to try to cope. $40 for a pack of smokes. I have to pay to try to keep it afloat. Here's another show, another war, another virus, another tax, another argument to keep us busy, another distraction for the masses. Who's high? Rent high, pay the power, we'll pay for gas. Working 9 to 5 your whole damn life just to break it back and pay tax. Get a bucks, numb it out, PlayStation, staycation. No judgment, I feel you, bro. I'm getting mad suspicious with this inflation. Reject the program, 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 reject. Lust, disgust, expectations, trapped in a prison of my own making. Trust, love, and creation. Plan excitement for the motivation. So uncertain, so impatient, so unanswered, so evasive. Find solutions, don't be complacent. I must remember or I end up vacant. Changing my thoughts when I know I need energy. Got the torch from this before me through all the morning, now find peace. For evolution, for revolution, for what was stolen, redistribution, for restoration, from institution, colonization, and my pollution. Reject the program, 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 reject the program. Yee! Yeah, heat up. It's time to get live, fam. It's time to get live. You feel it stirring up in the capital city, right? It's time to wake up. Hello, Kilda. Oh, it's my family. Love. Hey, darling. This next song is called Clear the Way. Open my eyes like the first time, in the dungy like my birth sign. Breathe it in like mountaineer, passengers dismounting clear. You're too dense so you can't come with us. Shadowville, these hidden figures. Miracles that I have witnessed reminds me I'll go the distance. Let's go meet you at the top. Bro, go slow, high pathways. Good fortune, love you a lot. Turn the tide in the last stage, make it to the last stage. Save point, clear the pain, activate my blood and bone. New script for a clean slate. Stories, not bookshelves. Same style, that's cliche. Rewire yourself, meet the tone and not repay. Forgive, not for keeps. Ocean, not sea spray. Deeper than where they have traveled. Anchored in, so we pray. Anchored in, so we pray. Free yourself, no replay. If it costs you your voice, that's not peace, that's weak plays. Clear the way, clear the stage, clear the mind, clear the page, clear the lungs, clear the air. See the plan, clear as day. Pay the price, sacrifice for the prize. Serenade, masquerade, clear the mask, clear the heart, don't be afraid. Clear the way, clear the stage, clear the mind, clear the page, clear the lungs, clear the air, see the plan, Thursday, pay the price, sacrifice for the prize, serenade, masquerade, clear the minds. Don't be afraid. Putting the heart back in business, ring the alarm from the slumber, show you the truth, I'll be witness, tall who in the numbers, map maker, I'm a hunter, beam me up, I'm an elevator, dormance is disconnection, fix the pain, I'm a celebrator, shift gears, accelerator, light beam, no alligator, no reptiles in the hen house or TK in the navigators, who's saying the hearsay, let me see the votes in the ballot papers, Star Wars with the star clock and the door poo and the Undertaker.
And the good part and it feels so nice. Soup with the bread and the chicken fried rice. Set it on down if you're gonna know rice. Shut it all down if you're gonna know.
Clear the way, clear the stage, clear the mind, clear the page, clear the lungs, clear the air, see the plan, clear as day. Pay the price, sacrifice, for the prize, serenade, masquerade, clear the mind, clear the heart, don't be afraid. Clear the way, clear the stage, clear the mind, clear the page, clear the lungs, clear the air, see the plan, clear as day. Pay the price, sacrifice, for the prize, serenade, masquerade, clear the heart, don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Are you warm? Are you warm? Are you so good? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, brother. Woo! Check my resonance, all the elements. Know I'm from the source, see the genesis. It was spoken Jedi with the force link, with the tribe and divine time. And my mind's eye, mapping out the plan for purpose on the skyline. That was all for practice, now we're moving into prime. Leaning to internal waters, headquarters and the chai tea. Dip to Rizzy's kitchen for the yaki and the right things. Ain't no adversary, we don't focus on the fight. Set my psyche to expansion, puppy dog, we never hide. Boost capacity to guide, praying biblical support. They can't take this love, they can't take this growth, they can't take this smile, they can't take this home, they can't take this fire, they can't take this tone, they can't take this mind, they can't take control. Who's all on my way? Declare your name, if you ain't for me, you can't stay. Who's all on my side for your intentions, don't you hide. Who knows the truth, show me your heart, no need to talk, that's all the proof, that's all the proof. Who knows the law, they're passing laws, they ain't never pass the door, what you here for, who's all on my way? Declare your name, if you ain't for me, you can't stay. Who's all on my side for your intentions, don't you hide. Who knows the truth? Show me your heart, no need to talk, that's all the proof, that's all the proof. Who knows the law, they're passing laws, they ain't never pass the door, what you here for? They can't take this love, they can't take this growth, they can't take this smile, they can't take this hope, they can't take this fire, they can't take this tone, they can't take this mind, they can't take control. In the synergy, it's in the delivery, it's in the divinity, in the vicinity, from here to infinity, seen in the symmetry, in the proximity, so complementary, water is memory, flow is serenity, love is the remedy, love is the remedy, love is the remedy, all in the chemistry, all in the ions, all in the energy. Steady hand, cause I got the aim like a cannoneer, hit the bullseye, light the candles, say the prayers, perform the rituals for the truth, right? Time travel with my day ones on a sound wave and a good vibe. Gotta kill for the density to return home when it's full time. Gotta kill for the density to return home when it's full time. They can't take this growth, they can't take this smile, they can't take this hope, they can't take this fire, they can't take this tone, they can't take this mind, they can't take control. Yeah, shuffle that, bro. Hey, kia ora, kia ora. As Korohoya said in her amazing introduction, my name's Kenzie from Welly. My bones are from Samoa, from Lango, and shout out, Lani. And the mighty Waikato, of course. And Thank you for coming today together because, funnily enough, gathering together in person right now is the best resistance that we can do. In person, unplugged, sharing energy, live and direct. So everything is commodified under capitalism these days, right? So I'm not here as a performer to entertain you. I'm here to exchange energy with you so we could transmute any energy, because there's heaps of political unrest, economic unrest, injustice, locally, globally. And yeah, we feel upset and we feel angry, we feel the heavy things, but also it's important for us to transmute energy so we can get clarity for solutions, right? Absolutely, absolutely. That's us. Clap for you, because that's what we're up to. We're gathering and connecting. So as an artist, I'm just here to provide a vehicle so that we can digest some of the heavy emotions that we are carrying through some of the stuff that we're seeing. And stay with me, that's us. Check. This song's called Mana. If you know Lake Haley 47, I rex this beat. Send it away like a telegram, send it away like a paper plane out of space, like a bad dog or a red car sent off. I don't need all that mental chaos. Send it straight back like return to sender. Channel energy like the last airbender. Descend from warriors, so I won't surrender. I don't mess around with damn pretenders. Let me see your mana, I don't want sweet lies. Ain't a side piece, I make queen size. Send it like your favorite beverage. Reply direct, no screenshot leverage. Work up, send the invoice out. If the cash come back, yes, it's my style. Send blessings and love as the beat hits. Bring the real, no fake, no cheap tricks. Strip away old pain, no presets. For yourself, for your fan, for your frequent. See if you know what I mean. Level up from ourselves to ourselves and our dreams. Mana, I got mana. Ooh, mana, we got mana.
All our lives, they tell us, grind and hustle, never learn your culture, learn your fuck up, but they say times have changed, those were different times, I say, so connected, we live many lives.
Mana, I got mana. Ooh, mana, we got mana. As a kid, trying to find a place to stand. Harder to connect when we got no land. Now belonging said he's sick of this rhetoric and respectfully racist can look Pacifica blasting through the speakers. Melanesia, Micronesia, Polynesia. They drew lines trying to keep us in line, but break free. All my people unite for the fight for your mana. You got mana. Ooh, mana. We got mana. Hey, she know it. Mana. I got mana. You transmuting. I can see you getting left to right now. I can see it. Yes.
All our lives, they tell us, grind and hustle, never learn your culture, learn your fuck up, but they say times have changed, those were different times, I say, so connected, we live many lives.
Mana. You got mana. You mana. We got mana. Mana. Shake it off. Shake anything off you don't want to keep. You on the grass. You at the right place at the right time. Yeah. For you though. It's for you. For yourself.
You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you. You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you.
We don't have to be codependent to share love. I don't want love without the trust. We don't have to go into debt to share love. I just give what's in my heart. Gifts with attachments, backflips, backwards. Got me messed up. Now what is true many people view. It's not only what you say, what are your intentions?
You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you. You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you.
Just because you break a promise, you won't sabotage me. Abandonment issues have me so on edge. So my inner child and her wounds, I pledge to be there for you, care for you, not prioritize the bed for you. When my internal turns into a prison, help me see the vision past the moment, let me own it. Off the 3 a.m. phoning, I know it is true, so let the truth be told. Stereotypes and statistics don't know enough about us. Promise to face my fear for fear of being a coward. So ironic, ain't it? Take the beat, I ain't the sitting by the river, serenaded by her flow. Smell the fragrance of life in all her pages. Old story like our orators of gifts and dangers. If I recognize your energy, we ain't strangers, we speak the same language. So let the truth be told.
You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you. You can take away everything you're giving me, all of your promises and all your commitments. Been through the cycle enough times to now know this my opportunity to outgrow you.
Yo, straight up. Hey. I'm clapping for you, because remember, it's an engagement, it's an interaction right now. You know, with Outgrow You, it's like, it was for myself, honestly. You know how sometimes, like, when you're trying to evolve for certain things, it's clear to see some things, you're like, I can let go of that. And then sometimes there's those blind spots that you can't see. And then when you see it, you're like, dang, for real? So sometimes I just need that reminder. Come on, it's all good. We can outgrow these things. Also, we can outgrow the fucking government. Oh, sorry, kids. My bad. The government. Yo, let's run it. Oh, yo, this song's called Excel by like a Pomo. And it's got a sample from my nana who's on a documentary called No Māori Allowed. Let me clear my head for new designs. Don't wanna be a prick like a porcupine. Don't wanna lose my head, it's getting hard to find. We live in crazy times, I'll be okay, it's fine. Restless, so much I'm feeling restless. Still green tea drunk for the stresses. Cause a couple J's rolled up on the dresser. Still land back to oppressors. We plan for the wins where you think we'll go. Won't crush under pressure like a pinky toe. Let go of everything that you think you know. So falling into place like a slinky, bro. So force like a Jedi. Stays for the red eyes. Was feeling down, now I'm better. I was stripped down for the cheddar. That's all name, fuck that. You can keep the fame. You tryna block me. Exhale like a Pomo. Anybody who can stop me. Tell you now, I will not fall. It's been too long. This didn't happen overnight. I don't play to win, I play to fight. That's what's dangerous. What you call smoke, I call vapors. I don't want the cash, I want acres.
When a white woman walks towards you, what do you do? Doubt you them without your every day.
In a hurry to go nowhere, the unsatisfied. Let me not fear death nor die before my peak. See signs from ancestors, they know I'm restless. They see my someone carefree and reckless. Everything I've invested in my life's connection is on the line. Give me strength, I'm running out of time. I haven't done enough. I continue to climb. Resilience makes me tough. I'm not afraid to cry. Let my soul roam free. Let my anchors go. Lay loved ones to rest, can feel them with me though. If you could only see that we're living our dreams, it ain't always pretty, but it's beautiful to me. All the struggles you endured so I can live how I live. You survived through the odds and gave me my best gift to live. How can I not try to do the most to pay gratitude to grandparents who barely kept afloat and know how much I owe them? Get back what was stolen, thank them for migrations over vast oceans. Speak words that were silenced, Nan told you I sowed them. These oppressors thought us broken, so you were chosen. Thank them for migrations over vast oceans. Speak words that were silenced, Nan told you I sowed them. These oppressors thought us broken. Tell the whole world we were chosen.
Whether you
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Rise up. That's us. We're coming together. Coming together is the best form of resistance because now is the time for love. Now is the time for love. Now is the time for love. Check. This song called Hold Your Head. It's from my album Greenstone Door. I see my mother in you. I see the trouble in truth. I see the world as it shoots and it shoots. If I could shield you from the pain, I would take it for you. How you were raised was never safe. You keep your guard up. Your heart is hard done. As time ticked on, fam, I don't blame you. Wish I would have saved you from that side of the world. As you stand as a woman, I see that little girl with high hopes of discovering all your dreams uncovering life's bliss. But you slipped and you missed the end of the trip, wanting to stay high, to push the pain down. You in the rain now, please reach back. When I offer out my hand, it ain't for return. You don't reply to my texts, and I know that you're hurt. I'm not been around for ages, I've been putting in work, but no excuse. I wanna be better, know that I care. Kiss your kids, cause I miss them, and I wish you were here.
Want you to win in this lifetime. I'm missing seeing your light shine. From the beginning you lifted me, I wish that you were here. Wherever I go, I got you. Till life shines, I lost you. Hold your head up high, my fam, and never show the fear.
Young buck colors hanging out your back pocket. No money on the hunt to find whoever's got it. Gang life was normal life, and it seems all your dreams dissolved when you found the pipe and filled it by any means. Your mom called me, told me you're locked up in Spring Hill. Your missus pregnant you anytime with a baby girl. Left the hood 5 seconds, thought I'll be back. Turning to 10 years, and I'm sorry for that. Hood pressures took its toll, and you had to survive. Still smile when I see you, something's changing your eyes. No excuses, wanna be there, know that I care. Prison ain't no place for you, and I wish you were here.
Want you to win in this lifetime. I'm missing seeing your light shine. From the beginning you lifted me, I wish that you were here. Wherever I go, I got you. Till life shines, I lost you. Hold your head up high, my fam, and never show the fear. Want you to win in this lifetime. I'm missing seeing your light shine. From the beginning you lifted me, I wish that you were here. Wherever I go, I got you. Till life shines, I lost you. Hold your head up high, my fam, and never show the fear.
Lift up, people, that's us, that's us. Together, Katahitonga come together, that's us. Resist with love, now is the time for love. Now is the time for love. Hey. Get warm now. Clap for you, I'll clap for me. Yeah, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Time to wake up. Now is the time for love. I love you too, but you're my first cousin. That's my brother right there. This song's called Alone, but it's almost like the flip because you're not alone. Sometimes it feels like you're super alone and going through some alone-y type stuff. But you ain't, it's all right. We're here, you know? Someone's got to have the capacity, and if no one does, the grass does. You all right, Tizzy? Okay. When Queendom comes on, you can come dance. How much can you stomach? Running out of time like what other chased by the thought of what's coming. Just around the bend gets a bigger bag. Plans to get ahead, wanna erase my head, chill. Take a breath, cleanse into the sea. Waves will serve for me, pray for sight to see. Hear the old call in the distance. Hear the Mahuru whispering wisdom. Spirit wide awake like I never slept. Forgive my mistakes, people I'm upset. Shh. You know life gets more than messy. It ain't gonna come around twice. Know the journey is heavy for many, I'm here. Many, I know you've been at it alone. Many have felt disconnected for ages. Many know grief, many just longing for home. Many hang on to belief, others hold on tight, grip on the phone. Many are searching the reasons, others rather just wanting to roam. Be left alone, okay, I got you, my bro, okay. Let's chop it up till we go back home, my bro, okay. Been long enough, time flies, I know, my bro, okay. The waves are rough, it's tough alone.
Feels like you're feels like you're
Yo, we're together though, like, it feels like you're alone. We here. Terrified, I won't verify my life's worthy of being here. Vision's big, my trauma's big, can I break out? Ways out, I got ways out, but I stick myself till I'm glue stuck. Self-talk, doubt talk, needing improvement. My humanness and divinity, fighting for the driver's seat. My future selves reminding me of timing. Too prepared, I'm unprepared, I'm a walking contradiction. A pendulum that swings between conviction and addiction. Let me deliver the message, build for all my successes. Grateful for all of my blessings, stronger for all of my lessons. Tell me you can't see everything I'm gonna be. Help me, don't harm me, I'm more harm than I'll ever need. Service, forgiveness, plant seeds long lasting. Building my business, nature and fasting. Am I enough? I am enough, think faster than I can speak. Slow down to icy, high speed, that light speaks. If you feel the call, it's time to come home. If you hear the call, it's time to come home. It's time to come home. Return to yourself. If you hear the call, it's time to come home. To return to self. Return to self. Return to your real identity as a light being. It's time to come home. If you hear the call, it's time to come home.
feels like you're alone. Feels like you're alone. Feels like you're alone. Feels like you're alone.
Yo, but we're not. We're in a street party. Like, look around. This is Port Naked, one of the best cities in the world, baby. We're together and it's free, and we are lighting up our Modi today. Because sometimes it gets heavy and we need that spark. You're the spark for you. You're the spark for you. Shout out, and I'm just feeling with the energy and giving back as I can. I appreciate you. I appreciate your energy. I love you. You know, we all do. And anything can happen as long as there's no harm. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Let me know, hey.
I'm feeling good, and I'm down to right. Of course I'm with you. Of course I'm with you. Let me know. Hey, I'm feeling good, and I'm down to right, and of course I'm with you. Let go of the rope I mistook for a lifeline. Intuition telling me it's my time. Feel it's been the longest. I had to make friends with resilience. Neutralize the pain we've been carrying since little kids. Wish my nans were here to see. Found strength in their eyes. They knew I would achieve what I mapped out in my mind. I just want to spark the light in you and watch you grow. Rest my little ego. Now I'm strong enough. And I'm feeling good, and I'm down to ride in. Yo, of course I'm with you. Let me know, hey, yeah, I'm feeling good, and I'm down to ride. If you seek truth, you'll find comfort. If you seek comfort, you will never find truth. There is day in the life together, we'll never lose. Kill the ego if you wanna lead the people. I do this for my tribe and my relatives who got stuck. Still I see where all your passion is. And pray for power, I just pray for peace. Silence the demons so you can hear my conscience speak. It only takes one flicker of light to cut the darkness. No bond stronger than ours, we bout to spark it. Light forms from the life force, see the signs warm. But I'm calmest in the eye of the storm. So let me find peace, let me find my feet. Let us break the stronghold the 1% try to keep. Let us live the collective from oppressive perspective. You feel the money injected, you know we must stay connected. Hey, hey, and I'm feeling, yeah, I'm feeling good now. Yeah, I'm down the ride and of course I'm with you. Let me know, hey, and I'm feeling good now. And I'm down to ride. I don't want to knock anything out. Yo, you feeling good? Thank you. I know you're feeling good. It's the truth. You're the truth out there. Sweet. I got just a couple tracks left. This next song's called Find My Way to Joy. And yo, it was cool. Like, you know, I was feeling a bit depressed, but like not the depressed where you're like super saddy, like just the one where you're not productive. And I was like, dang, I need to like move through this real quick. So like I had to write my way out of it. So like write my way out of it, and then I'm like inject some tone, some auto, and then some energy. And what do you know? We all right. We joyful. So yeah, this it.
Wonder.
Hey, find my way to joy, find my way to happiness, breathe in new energy, exhale what's been repressed, find my way to joy, find my way to happiness, breathe in new energy, exhale what's been repressed. Don't let the shadows fool you when they try to hang around. Yo, I know it's not that easy. Yo, trust me, I've been down like I couldn't see no way out. Like someone when they moved my path for everything that I felt and I thought I was. Still ended up on my ass, but that's okay. I don't hide my humanity. I'm just trying to work it out. Reprogram my cells of data that they're holding that don't help. Show yourself, let the whole world see you. So you could be yourself. Show yourself, they got no hold on you. And what you're all about, find my way to joy, find my way to happiness, breathe in new energy, exhale what's been repressed, find my way to joy, to happiness, breathe in new energy, exhale what's been repressed. Yo, now's your chance. It's dark enough, you can shake it off like no one's watching. But we don't even care, because we're not harming anyway. So, it's fine. And we don't abide by those old programming things of judgment. Count. Find my way to happiness. Breathe in new energy. Exhale what's been repressed. Find my way to joy. Find my way to happiness. Breathe in new energy. Exhale what's been repressed. Danny, can you? This is Tizzy. This next song is called Queendom. Come stand over here, darling, in front of the light. And she likes dancing. You know, she's really brave. And so sometimes we just need people to be like, oh, dancing's fine. Yo, find my way to joy. Hey, find my way to happiness. Breathe in new energy. Exhale what's been repressed. Yeah, hey, hit it. Yeah. Yo, shout out. Do a little bow. Like, yeah, thank you. And you. I just got a couple songs left. This next song's called Queendom, and it's from my album Greenstone Door. You know, it's buzzy, like, none of the songs that I performed are released. It's dope. Like, thank you for, like, hanging out and letting me, like, test stuff on you guys. None of them are released, bro, like, except Queendom. So I really appreciate you guys hanging out, and now I know what songs to release and what ones to delete. All good. All right. If you wanna, Queendom, the single is out on YouTube. Tizzy's in it, so that's why she's up here as well. How? All right. Round excellence, our testaments never found in history books. Be proud, our ancestors never drifted, navigated the clouds. Wally people, you were gifted, unifying. Be proud, they planned to divide and conquer, but we never went down. Born with warrior spirit, know your queendom is found in your grandmother. When your feet touch the ground, let them feel the power tremble. When my words left the pencil, they were born before me. My family tree carries the story of voyages, my sit on the sea. If you could see your true beauty, if you see what I see, my hobbies for the cultures, you were born to be queens. You a queen, you a queen, you a queen, you a queen. You a queen, 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 the knees, the knees. You a queen, 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 you a queen. Young warrior, lost tribe warrior, no wallow in sorrow, remember who you are. Why washing held you down, now raise up to the stars. Trace back your lineage, learn lessons from the past. You were born for a purpose, don't believe their versions of miseducation and oppression. Sees the changing revelations happen when you decondition. Look through the eyes of the apostasy, division, God willing. Time to find freedom, you're the change that we need. My heart bleeds for the culture, you were born to be kings. I can retire soon. Hey, 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 haven't even started. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, I'm a queen, you're a queen. Ready? I'm a queen, you a queen, I'm a queen, you 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 a queen, and then flip it back. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, you a queen, I'm a queen, you a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Hey, give it up for Tizzy right now. Yeah, that's called Tiz Parker right here.
Cherish and hold on to the very thing that they're trying to beat out of us.
All right.
That was colonization. Keep your
Hey, yeah. Oh, Jay, should we jam that song that we've never practiced?
Oh shit! Today. Yeah.
This is your, yeah, let's just have a jam, man.
Let's do it, eh? Look at that dinosaur though, that just kind of put me off. I was like,
Come
wait,
on, get those knees working.
Tights.
Come on.
Did I hear a yeah or a boo over there?
Yeah, there it is. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, better be a yeah.
Are you ready, Jay?
I'm ready, yes, ready?
This Te Kurahuia, not only is she the host of the stage, give it up, give it up. This is the Bear Manawahine Te Kurahuia. You'll also find her featuring on many, many things. She has her hands in many pies. Hit it.
This is called Big Mana. And can I just say to our sounders, can you turn it right up, please? Cause I can't hear it. This is for our Pacifica Ainga. Our whole connection, eh? Cause I'm also Maori-sa, just like this one over here. Hey, Big Mana, can you turn it up?
Big Mana.
Hey, I want everyone
Big
to feel
Mana.
that Big Mana.
Big Mana.
Hoy up on the scene with the Big Mana. It's my fucker papa to the moana. Brown excellence, let hair caught from below. Hawaii to Panui to Aotearoa. We on the come up, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we finna roll. Even if the system takes a toll, you can't stop the fight, even when it blows. That's right, we flow. We rise, no lies, we grow. Ain't no stopping the queen, the way we know. How we do what we do, for moana, huh?
Big mana.
Big mana. Protect that big mana. Protect that big mana. Protect your big mana. Protect your big mana. Take it away.
Step to the room, big mana. Everything we do, big mana. Feel we in tune, big mana. I can carry big money energy across the Moana. Native, I feel it in you. Speaking, I see that it's true. You know, cause you always you. We never eating alone for the. We feed them all too. Y'all feel the drum beat in your heart saying, lift your head up. I know you're fed up, so it's time to get up. Don't ever let up. Upset the setup, upset the setup. Feel the drum beat, took it to your heart saying, lift your head up. I know you're fed up, so it's time to get up. Don't ever let up. Upset the setup, upset the setup. Hey, 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 big mana. Hey, 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 big mana. Protect that big mana, protect that big mana. Hey, 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 hey.
Hakimaikito whānau, calling you home, my otipuna.
Big mana.
This is our Moana moment.
If you feel you fall,
Tell me your dreams, show me who you
a link in the chain to past greatness. The baskets of knowledge await us.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, 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 big mana. Hey, 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 big mana. Protect that big mana, protect your big mana. Hey, hey, protect your big mana, protect your big mana. Hey, 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 mana. Hey, 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 big mana.
Protect that big mana, protect that big mana. Protect your big mana, protect your big mana.
Yeah.
Come on, do we got big?
Get it, come on.
Big mana.
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, come on, give it to Kenzie. Protect that big mana,
protect that big mana.
protect your big mana, protect your big mana.
Kia ora, Kenzie from Welly. Shout out to Te Kurahuia. Kia ora. And the bro here couldn't have done all without him. Shout out, my G.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wait, and one more time. Give a big round of applause for Kenzie from Welly! Woo! That was straight fire. Did you know she only came to me last night and was like, do you want to perform that song? I was like, yeah, why not? We've never done it before, but let's do it. And honestly, you know, first try, mean. Feel like Batman. Yeah, first try. Wow, that was amazing. Well, now we're going to take a little bit of a break. So if our DJ can kindly play an awesome song for me to karaoke to. Nah, I won't be flat, I swear. I think that's why he cut me off last time. Hey. Well, don't forget, we still got Kai. There are clubs, and you know, I won't say the rest. You already know where to iwi, so go do what you need to go do. But don't forget, we still got a couple more artists to come and grace our stage here at Ngātoi o Aro. Let me move my stuff for you, sir. You're welcome. Whoa, it's pretty hot, eh? And it's cold as. That's funny, I'm standing in front of a light. Well, atu I tere o ama. You know, have an awesome night. I'll see you really soon. We've got a couple more artists to go. So shout out to the DJ. Please put on a song for us, eh? Oh, I know the song.